Welcome back to the channel. If you're running a Shopify store and struggling with inaccurate tracking, missing conversions, or wrong data, you're in the right place. So if you want to scale your store with accurate data, make sure to subscribe. This is a step-by-step setup video for the Google Ads Tracking and GTM app. You'll find the app link in the description below. Let's get started. Click on Add Google Pixel, then proceed to connect your Google account. For this setup, you must have an active Google Ads account along with a Google Ads Manager account. Next, connect your ads account. After that, add Google Tag Manager, GTM, and link your GTM container. I recommend using a new GTM container because older containers often cause tracking issues and may not record data accurately. Click on Create New Pixel. Here you will see all the tracking events already set up, such as Purchase Tracking, Add to Cart, Begin Checkout, Page View. These are the core events this app will automatically track for your store. After reviewing them, click on Continue to proceed with the setup. Click on Copy Code, then proceed to add it under Customer Events. I have already explained this step in a separate video, so you can follow it there for detailed guidance. The video link is available in the description. This setup usually takes around 4 to 6 minutes to complete. Now you can check and confirm that your NAR pixel has been successfully added. Go to your Google Ads account, and you will be able to see the tracking tags active and showing there. Now go to Google Tag Manager, GTM. Here you can confirm that your new container has been successfully added. Open the workspace, and you will notice that different variables are being added, and you can also see that tags are appearing as well. Open the default workspace. Your custom workspace may not be visible here because it has now gone live. To test whether everything is working correctly, you need to verify the workspace. This will allow you to test and confirm that your tags, triggers, and variables are firing properly before fully relying on the setup. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Preview. Now connect your store. You must have the Google Tag Assistant extension installed for this step. Using it, you can perform different actions on your store and verify the tracking in real time. You will be able to see whether your tags are firing correctly or not, and the app will also confirm if the events are being tracked successfully. All the tags are fired correctly. This is the complete setup of the app. If you face any kind of issue or confusion, feel free to ask in the comments section. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.